The first step in getting Easotope running on your machine is to download the Easotope client from the website. Assuming you're using a Windows machine, you'll download the Windows client and you'll see something like Easotope client folder on your desktop. Inside this folder is a README file, and this README file explains where the Easotope executable is. In this case, it's under the Win32 directory in Eclipse Easotope. So if we look in the Win32 directory under Eclipse, there's an Easotope executable here. This is the program that you need to run on a Windows machine to start Easotope. I'm not currently running on a Windows machine, I'm on a Macintosh, so I downloaded the Mac version of Easotope's client from the website, and it looks like this. So I'm going to start this up with a double click, and I get a welcome screen. First thing Easotope needs to know is where is the database that you want to use. There's two ways of doing this. One is to run your own local database on your own machine. This is only a good idea if you're working alone, but more likely you're probably working in a lab with other people and you want to share information with them, you want to share standard information with them, you want to share standard measurements with them. So you probably want to access an Easotope server that's installed on a central machine in the lab. That's what we're going to assume in this video. So I'm going to click the Easotope server option and go to the next screen. Here Easotope needs to know the name of the computer where the database exists, where the server is running. And this is specific to your lab. This has to be gotten from your lab administrator. But for this demo, I'm just going to type in my local machine name and 55,000. 55,000 is a network port number where the server is listening. The number 55,000 is commonly used for Easotope, but it may be different in your lab. Now Easotope tries to connect to the database. It says that it's accessed the database, checked it out, everything looks fine, so we're now configured. And it makes a friendly reminder that any future papers that you may publish using Easotope, it would be appreciated if you would reference our paper. The paper is currently in preparation. It hasn't been submitted yet. When it does, future versions of Easotope will have that reference information as well. Now we click Finish, and we get a login screen. Here it's asking for our user information and our password. It's now connected to the database and is running. So this is Easotope. You're now able to click around and look at various information that's available. Other videos will go into more detail about how to actually use Easotope, but one last thing to mention in this video is that there's a help menu, and the help menu takes you right to the YouTube videos where you're watching this video tutorial. Or it can also help you subscribe to an Easotope user mailing list where you can ask questions and communicate with other Easotope users about how the system works.